प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यार जब आप पेमेंट कर लेते हो यू डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग समवेयर एल्स, राइट?
Okay, so I'm ready now, and time is 4:20. I'm ready to start. Let me put the map. I just had tea. I wanted to vlog here, but there are a lot of people were here and I felt a bit awkward, so I didn't vlog. Even I want some place where I can shoot the time lapse. I think the sun is going to rise, so I hope.
It's 7:40 in the morning and I have covered around almost 200 kilometers, around 40 kilometers left for Yelagiri, and I stopped here in the city just to get refreshed. I'm a very big fool, and what I did not check the date when I booked the hotel. I was supposed to make the check-in today, and the mistake I did, I booked it from yesterday till today. I'm going to call, make my trip. Let me see what they can do. Monkeys! I need to find a place where I won't find monkeys. Then I can stop there and click some pictures without any interruptions. Welcome to Yelagiri. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and I have reached Yelagiri. Anyway, it's 250 kilometer ride, and look at my stuff. I just came here and I dumped it. Anyway, I will get refreshed and let me see what I can do.
A few moments later.
तो अभी मैं totally fresh हो गया and I will be going out right now. Before going out, let's talk something. Okay. तो वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बोला था कि मैंने कुछ गलती किया है and I'm a fool. Yes, that's correct. I was searching a couple of hotels and I couldn't find any hotels. All were getting sold out. So after a couple of time, I found this hotel and I booked it. But I did not check the check-in date. और ये बात मुझे कब पता चली? रात के 1 बजे, जब मैं इस ट्रिप के लिए ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो रहा था। जब मैं पैकिंग स्टार्ट कर लिया था तो मैंने अपना होटल बुकिंग्स एक बार फिर से चेक किया। तब मुझे जाके पता चला कि जो होटल का चेक इन था वो ऑलरेडी जा चुका है, जो कि 9 तारीख को था। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यार जब आप पेमेंट कर लेते हो you don't feel like going somewhere else, right? And kudos to Make My Trip support team. Thank you, Make My Trip.
ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
ಓಕೆ
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಲಿ